Adding quick links in Shopify is very easy to do. Today I'm going to show you how to do it. First is to open your Shopify in your Google Chrome, and on the Shopify dashboard, click on the online store. Some new options will appear, and below select on the themes, and this page will display various themes to customize your Shopify store. Locate your current theme and click on the Customize button. Your store will open in the editor, allowing you to edit your entire store, including the header, body, and the footer section. Now scroll down to the footer section on the left-hand menu, and a pop-up menu will appear, and select Menu from the list. And you'll see that the footer has a selection labeled Quick Links, which is our main focus here. Let's add one. Click on the Quick Link, and the Quick Link setting will appear on the left side. Give it a name like this. I'll just call it Sample Page. You can also bold or italize them if the name is desired. And next you see the add the actual link on the link option. Now go back to your store's homepage and open it, and you will see the footer now displays your new quick links. And this is how you can easily add quick links in Shopify.